G'day, this is a quick demonstration of how to install Brew and how to install Python3. So first off, we're going to go into Safari and go to brew.sh. The web page, it has the shell command for installing Brew. It's very simple. We click on the little clipboard command there, JavaScript. It'll copy that shell command into our clipboard and then paste it into terminal. It does require sudo. It will require your administrative privileges in order to do the first install, but after that it doesn't require it anymore, unless it's doing something very specific. So it's just going to use Git, and it's going to download all the Brew configuration files and binaries. It doesn't take very long. Once that's downloaded, we can then go and install third-party programs. So here it's got a command to update your shell environment to make sure it's got the Brew variables that it needs. For some reason in this case it wasn't working for me, so I just did it manually. So that's the environment variables it requires, and then we can append that to our .zed profile. So that next time we open up a terminal shell with ZSH, it'll automatically bring in those new variables. Export means export to the shell, so all shell scripts can utilize those variables. So here we are. So we've got now Brew working happily. We type Python, so Python3 that comes with macOS X. It's fairly recent, but it isn't the latest. And if you do want the latest things to be utilized and to have it in its own kind of area, so when you install things, it's putting it in a separate area and not giving it to all the scripts that run on macOS X. So it's probably a good security thing there. So there we did Brew install Python3. And once we've done that, for some reason it didn't automatically update. That should have done user local bin Python3 there. It did work when I opened up a third terminal window. I'm not sure why it didn't do it straight away. Maybe it needed a few seconds to update the path. And here we have Python3 3.11.5 from Brew and 3.9.6 that comes with macOS X. And that way we can have the latest one, we can have a separate area, everything stored in its own libraries, user local lib, and then there was no issue with security. There you go.